हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सभी? आई होप आप सभी अच्छे होंगे। तो आज का टॉपिक है स्टडी अबाउट डेटा हैंडलिंग। लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, इंट्रोडक्शन, सम इंपॉर्टेंट डेफिनेशंस, फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन। नाउ इंट्रोडक्शन. In our daily life, we come across many numerical data in newspapers, the result of service selection board, television, the result of a school, etc. These data may relate to the daily, weekly, monthly rainfall at different places, profits of an organization, the population content of different towns, cities, etc. Now, some important definitions. First is data. Data is the collection of numerical facts relating to a particular information. There are two types of data. First, primary data. Primary data is the one which is collected directly from the source. Second, secondary data. This secondary data is the one which is collected from newspapers, travel, brochures, internet, television and other sources. Now, observation. Observation is each numerical fact. Raw data. Raw data is the data obtained in the original form. Range. Range is the difference between the highest and the lowest observations in the data. Statistics. Statistics is the study of collection, organization, presentation, analysis and interpretation of numerical data. Now, frequency. The number of times an observation is repeated is called as frequency. Example करते हैं, example 1. The weights of the baggages of 20 passengers is given below: 50, 68, 58, 45, 30, 55, 47, 46, 35, 40, 53, 31, 49, 56, 49, 64, 60, 43, 39, 65. Arrange the data in the ascending order and find the following: the lowest weight, the highest weight, the range of the data. Solution करते हैं. Arranging the data in the ascending order, we get 30, 31, 35, 39, 40, 43, 45, 46, 47, 49, 49, 50, 53, 55, 56, 58, 60, 64, 65, 68. Now, lowest weight, सबसे कम, that is 30 kg. Highest weight is 68 kg. Range is equals to 30 to 68. That is 68 minus 30 is equals to 38 kg. Now next is frequency distribution. Frequency of an observation is the number of times the observation occurs in the given data. Example करते हैं, example 1. Kirti counted the number of roses on each of the 30 plants in her rose garden. The numbers observations are given below. Find the frequency of each observation and prepare a frequency distribution table. Solution करते हैं. Arranging the data in the ascending order, we get 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6. इसमें देख रहे हैं 1 3 टाइम्स आ रहा है, 2 भी 3 टाइम्स, 4 टाइम्स आ रहा है, 3 अगेन नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स आ रहा है. We find that 1 occurs thrice, 2 occurs 4 times, 3 occurs 9 times, 4 occurs 4 times, 5 occurs 6 times and 6 occurs 4 times. So, we can say that the frequency of the plants having 1 rose is 3, the frequency of the plants having 2 roses is 4, the frequency of the plants having 3 roses is 9, the frequency of the plants having 4 roses is 4, the frequency of the plants having 5 roses is 6 and the frequency of the plants having 6 roses is 4. You can represent this data in the tabular form using tally marks. Such a table is called frequency distribution table. Now next is apply your learning. राइट द डेफिनेशंस ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रेंज, डेटा एंड स्टैटिस्टिक्स। हमने ऑलरेडी इनको क्या किया है, डिस्कस किया है, सो यू कैन राइट इट। इसी तरह से बच्चों एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे। आई होप आपको चैप्टर समझ आया, इसका रिवीजन आप खुद कीजिए।